Good afternoon, everyone. In today's class, I am going to start your second term, means term 2 syllabus of business studies. And here is the first chapter, that is chapter number 6. The name of chapter 6 is staffing. So we will start term 2 syllabus with this new chapter, chapter 6, staffing. We must know what is staffing, what is the meaning, and what is the definition of staffing. Here we can say it is written, staffing is third function of management. Yes, as we have learnt the functions of management in term 1, that there are 5 functions of management, in which staffing is third function of management. Okay. First function was planning, second was organizing, third is staffing, then directing, then controlling. So we can say staffing is the third function of management. Staffing simply means to hire staff. Just correct the spelling, HIRE, hire staff. And one more thing, staffing comes after organizing, and after staffing there is directing. So staffing is related with staff. Yes, it means to hire the staff. Staffing involves the process, very important thing is written here, the process, recruitment and selection. Yes, staffing involves recruitment and selection. Here it is written, the key to success of any organization is to place right person at right job position. Staffing function is concerned with bringing right and efficient people in organization through staffing function. So we can say staffing consists of manpower planning, recruitment, selection, training, compensation. Compensation means money, promotion, maintenance of managerial personnel. Or we can say staffing involves finding the right person for the right job, having the right qualification, doing the right job at the right time. Here one writer is given, according to French Wendell, staffing or HRM, human resource management. Yes, we can give second name to staffing, that is HRM, human resource management. So staffing is the recruitment, selection, development, utilization, compensation and motivation of human resource of organization. So simply I have discussed what is staffing, what is the meaning and definition of staffing. So staffing is the process of hiring staff. Staffing is third function of management, comes after organizing. Staffing involves recruitment and selection, means if we are having vacancies, then how many staff or which kind of staff, which qualification we want to fill those vacancies. So staffing simply means just to fill vacant positions, or we can say job positions. So that's all about staffing. It is the meaning and definition of staffing. Next I will discuss in next video. Thank you for today.